Collaborative robots interact directly with humans, integrating themselves into the workflow, increasing productivity. They are very easy to use and program via app, or even manually. And they're ready to weld right away. They're consistent with timing and repetition, always performing at a high level. TRCobots adapt to every situation and become irreplaceable allies in every field, even for beginners. Collaboration also means working together in complete safety. TRCoBot, will you work with me?